One of the best tools that you can use, that is one of my favorites on TubeBuddy, it is the Keyword Explorer. Stay tuned to see how it works and how it can help you to rank on YouTube. Here's the thing, there are millions YouTubers, right? I'm talking about millions channels on YouTube. That means the competition is high. And in order to rank on YouTube, you need tools like TubeBuddy that is gonna help you to rank. TubeBuddy is gonna limit the amount of hours and the amount of money that you probably could be using, right, to rank. And TubeBuddy is gonna minimize all of that by giving you suggestions, and this is like doing most of the work for you by giving you all that info for you. And right now I'm activated on one of the best packages on TubeBuddy, which is the Legend. And as you can see here, I'm on a 30-day free trial. If you wanna know how to get this 30-day free trial, and make sure that you check my other video on this channel on how to get a 30-day free trial on TubeBuddy. Right, let's get to the Keyword Explorer on TubeBuddy. First thing, you want to make sure that you open an account on TubeBuddy. Make sure that you do that by clicking the link in my description, and you're gonna get the 30-day free trial and more. Right, to get started, make sure that you click that link. After you open an account on TubeBuddy, make sure that you connect your YouTube channel. After you connect to your YouTube channel, go to any of your videos, and after you had that free trial, or you took the star package or a starter package, right, you can take any of the keyword that you like to check on the Keyword Explorer. Keyword Explorer is gonna show you how this keyword ranks on YouTube engine, search engine, right? Let's explore, build a royal final club. Explore, do the magic, your body, right? And the unweighted simply means, right, this keyword, I mean, it's not doing that very well, right? Now when it's like this, let's take out final club, right, and let's say build a row, right, and let's see the result. And it's very important to check also related searches, right? All right, this is good, right? Okay, the weighted, it shows how my specific channel would do within this keyword, which is something that you won't get anywhere. I mean, this is one of the best tools that I love about TubeBuddy. It does not only show you how this keyword ranks. I mean, with other tools, they tell you how this keyword ranks and is good, but they don't tell you how, how likely are you to rank with this given keyword. Because I mean, keyword like they're all like, for instance, on this one it ranks very well, but for my YouTube channel it shows that in terms of the score is 8 out of 100, right? And if I were to check here, I've got zero result. It shows currently uh, people that are ranking for this kind of keyword. And if I were to do, let's say, let's just see, just do this. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. I wanna check something. Just gonna twist our keyword, and let's do this. Great. And this is one of the keyword that I can use as suggested by TubeBuddy. And if I go to results here, I can see people that are currently ranking on this keyword, right? This is something so cool, and it shows also such results so far, which is good. Now I can simply take this now and go apply this now on my video, right? How cool is this? I know this is one of the best. If you wanna use this also, make sure that you sign up on TubeBuddy and get to use this keyword explorer and start ranking on YouTube. Right, cool. That's it.